If you're looking for a really great budget-friendly, slow juicer that's also very aesthetic and looks great on the countertop, in this video, I'm going to share with you my unboxing and honest review of the Vandisell 3-in-1 cold press juicer. Hi everyone, I'm Veronica, a former professional chef turned homemaker, and I love sharing small kitchen appliance tutorials and reviews on my YouTube channel and my Amazon storefront. I've been really noticing a lot of juicers on the marketplace these days, and I've been so excited to test these out and see how they're really doing. I remember when I was a kid, my mom had a juicer, but it required so much cleanup and it was such a big process to juice. But these days, it seems like they're coming out with some really great 3-in-1 juicers that are really easy to assemble and actually look great on the counter. So I reached out to Vandisell to see if they would be interested in sending me one of their juicers to review on my channel, and they were gracious enough to send me one for my honest review. So this 3-in-1 cold press juicer is actually one of the less expensive models, but is actually built with really premium quality materials. I recently reviewed another 3-in-1 juicer that I wasn't very happy with because the materials were really cheap, but this one actually everything was very sturdy and very easy to assemble. What I really like about this type of juicer is the 6.5-inch large feeding chute, which means you can easily put a whole bunch of fruits and vegetables in at one time without having to put one little tiny carrot in at a time. This juicer has a 100-ounce large capacity, so it's great for families because I juice not just for myself, but for other people as well. So I really needed something that was large enough to actually handle a good amount of juice at one time. This also means that I can batch prep juices so I don't have to constantly be pulling out the juicer, using it, and then washing it. I can actually do almost a week's worth of juices in one go. Now, the big draw for me about this juicer is that it's a 3-in-1, which means it makes juice, it also makes sorbet, and it makes nut milk. And those are three things that I love making from scratch in my kitchen, so that was definitely a bonus. And as you can see, this made really, really high quality juice. I really enjoyed drinking this. And I have some follow-up videos showing all of the other things that this juicer can do, so be sure to check those out in my playlist. See you in the next video.